loves, welcome to my channel. With Valentine's Day being a couple of days away, I thought I would do a V-Day inspired nail art tutorial. As you can see, I used pinks, reds, and lots of sparkle. Alright loves, let's get started. The first polish I'm using is by Broadway Nails. It is their High Shine nail polish in Bad Queen, and I'm applying 2 coats to my thumb and pinky nails. For my index and middle finger nails, I'm taking another Broadway Nails High Shine nail polish in the shade Snow White, and I'll be applying 2 coats of this polish as well. For the nail on my ring finger, I'm applying a thin coat of the LA Colors Color Craze nail polish in Alive, and I'm only applying 1 coat because I will cover this nail with glitter. Alright loves, time for my mini review on the Broadway Nails High Shine nail polishes. I picked these up from Dollar General for $1 a piece. I had never tried polishes from this brand before, so I was really excited to try them out. Starting off with the shade Bad Queen, both of these nail polishes claim to be a high shine finish, but as you can see with Bad Queen, it's more of a matte finish. It's still very pretty, but it's not glossy. I do like it. As you can see here, I'm comparing it to the white color. Now the white shade is actually a shiny finish, but I do like Bad Queen. It's a really pretty pink and it dries down really quick. Moving on to Snow White, as I said in a previous clip, this shade is actually a high shine glossy finish. It is very pretty, and I've actually was on the hunt for a white polish. I've tried 2 previously. I tried the Clean Color on Shop Miss A, and I also tried the Sally Hansen Extreme nail polish from Walgreens, and that one was not cheap, and both of those formulas I wasn't too fond of, but I'm so happy that I finally found a white polish that I like. When doing a manicure, it is extremely important to apply a top coat. Top coats prevent your polish from chipping as well as leaving a long-lasting shine on your manicure. Today I am using the Sally Hansen Insta-Dri top coat. I applied the top coat to every nail except the one on my ring finger because that is going to be a full glitter nail, and I didn't feel the need to put a top coat on it. But look at that pink polish. Remember earlier it had more of a matte finish. Now it's super glossy and shiny just like the white one. The last nail polish I'll be using for this set is the LA Colors Color Craze nail polish in Sparkling Diamond, and I'm applying it to my thumb and ring finger nails using a Cosmetic wedge. I moisturized my hands with the Gold Bond Ultimate Softening Shea Butter with Coconut Oil and Cocoa Butter Hand Cream. This has a really rich, thick formula and it locks in the moisture. complete my manicure and moisturize my cuticles, I use the Shea Ceramic Cuticle Oil. Thank you, loves, so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. All of the products will be listed down below in the description. And until next time, bye, loves. Happy Valentine's Day.